Today we're making these amazing strawberry Pop-Tarts. I used to get these for $1 in my school's cafeteria, and I thought it'd be really fun to make our own. These are easy, delicious, and require as little as 5 ingredients. Pop these in your toaster, have these on the go. You will love these. Okay, this recipe comes together in a pinch, and you won't believe how delicious these are. Into the food processor goes the flour, sugar, and butter. You can make the dough by hand, but if you do choose to use a food processor, not only will this be much faster and easier, but you won't overwork the dough. You're gonna pulse this just for about 30 seconds and add your egg white and mix just until the dough comes together. Everything will be listed in the description box, and you can find the full written recipe on my website. This is why I love to use a food processor. It makes the process quick and easy. Now, these can be expensive, and if you're looking to buy a food processor, today's sponsor Karma is a big help. It's an app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. The link will be in the description box, and if you watch till the end of the video, you will learn how to enter their giveaway. Karma used to be called Shop Tagger. They're always expanding their capabilities, and their new name represents the good karma they provide by helping you shop smart. It's super easy to use. You just download the Chrome extension, install it, and you can scan your favorite stores for price drops, for coupons. You know I do a lot of my shopping on Amazon, and let me just show you how this works, okay? We're gonna search for the food processor I use. Karma extension will automatically pop up on the side of your screen. You save the product, and Karma will notify you via email or mobile push when an item you've saved goes on sale, has a coupon, or comes back in stock. That way you can save time and money. You can create lists of other items you've saved, and you can organize them into multiple wish lists so you can shop mindfully. Karma also scans the web for coupon codes and applies them automatically at the checkout. This is a special feature if you use Karma on your computer, so the Chrome extension is definitely a must. Another awesome feature is their cashback feature, where you can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. Definitely check out Karma. A link will be in the description box. I never pay full price. I always wait for the price to drop or for a coupon. I'm gonna bring the dough together with my hands. Now, this dough isn't pie crust, okay? I really wanted to develop a dough that was similar to Pop-Tarts, but better, obviously. I've seen a lot of people just use pie crust. I personally don't think Pop-Tart dough is pie crust. Pop-Tarts are not as flaky and buttery as pie crust, okay? If you've ever had Pop-Tarts, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you do make this dough, you'll understand what I mean. I love this dough. It doesn't need any refrigeration. You can use this immediately, unless it's 100 degrees where you live. Then you might want to refrigerate it. Flour your work area, and you're gonna roll this out to about 1/4 of an inch thickness, maybe slightly thinner than that, and cut out a rectangle. This does not need to be precise, and you will see why. With the remaining dough, you're just gonna set it to the side, and we'll make the Pop-Tart tops in a second. Now, I did cut my recipe in half, so I'm only making 4 Pop-Tarts today, but the full recipe makes about 8 to 10 Pop-Tarts. Place your Pop-Tarts onto a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper and add the filling. Now, I'm using good old strawberry jam. I'm making strawberry Pop-Tarts. They're delicious, but you can use whatever, filling you want. If you want to do another fruit jam, please do. If you want to use Nutella or any other type of spread, yes, do so, because it's delicious. Spread it out, leaving a border. Again, this doesn't need to be perfect, and you will see why. Brush the edges with some water so everything seals nicely, and cover the Pop-Tart with another Pop-Tart piece. You want to press the dough down well. You can use a fork if you want to make sure everything is sealed properly, but again, Pop-Tarts don't have that indentation, and I wanted to make these as similar as possible to the actual thing, but better. Now, this is why you don't need perfect edges. You're just going to take a pizza cutter, a pizza wheel, and cut those edges, and boom, that's it. Beautiful, clean edges. While you preheat your oven, you're just going to pop these babies in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Once your oven has preheated, you're going to bake these in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until they become a beautiful light golden color. Now, these are delicious as is, but we're gonna have these cook completely, and we're gonna glaze these. I've made a royal icing glaze. I'll link the recipe to this in the description box below. Super easy. I love using this glaze because it holds up beautifully in the toaster. It will soften, but it won't melt. If you don't want to use royal icing, you can just do powdered sugar and milk, but it may melt in your toaster oven, okay? And then it will be hell to clean it. So it's really up to you, okay? If you're not planning on heating these up in your toaster, then go for it. Just do milk and sugar. Wait till the Pop-Tart has completely cooled and add your glaze. The beauty of this glaze is that it will set up just like the one on store-bought Pop-Tarts. These are delicious. Whether you heat these up in your toaster or have these as is, you will love these. These make a great breakfast or on-the-go snack. There's no need to buy Pop-Tarts when you can make your own and make these so much better. Well, before you go, Karma has kindly sponsored today's giveaway. Comment below this video using hashtag Karma and check out the giveaway rules in the description box for a chance to win a $200 Amazon gift card.